What's up guys, my name is Rezvan and welcome back to another special video from Webmaster-Deals. In a few days we will release a big giveaway and you have the option to vote which one you like. The first bundle you can vote is Bundlestorm version 1. You will be able to download a lot of stock images and textures, Photoshop gradients, vector files, Adobe Photoshop custom shapes, textures, vector icons, fractal graphics, stock photos, Photoshop layer styles, patterns and textures, seamless vector files, and even Adobe Illustrator swatches. The entire bundle has over 60 gigabytes, so please make sure you have enough space on your hard drive to save this bundle. Second bundle you can vote is Bundlestorm version 2. You can download over 2000 vector icons, seamless textures, seamless Photoshop patterns, fractal images, different type of vector graphics, and over 2000 Adobe Illustrator symbols. This bundle has over 25 gigabytes. Please choose which bundle do you like and leave a comment in the comment area. After a few days we'll count the answers and we will choose the winning bundle. Then we will release a new video and we will give you step-by-step instructions how to download the bundle. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel if you do not want to miss the free bundle.